We have square root of p plus square root of negative p equals 4. So how do we find the value of p? Solution. We can write this guy as square root of p equals 4 minus square root of negative p when this guy comes to the right. So now let's square both sides of this equation. So we're going to have square. Clearly, this guy takes care of these two. So we have p to be equals. This right hand side can be written as 4 minus square root of negative p times 4 minus square root of negative p. So now let's open this bracket. So we're going to have p to be equals 4 times 4, that is 16. 4 times negative square root of minus p, we have minus 4 square root of minus p. Minus square root of minus p times 4, we have minus 4 times square root of negative p. Minus times minus, we have plus. Square root of minus p times square root of minus p, we have minus p. So let's add this guy. We're going to have p equals 16 minus 8 times square root of minus p minus p. When this minus p comes to the left, we have p plus p, which is 2p equals 16 minus 8 times square root of minus p. So let's divide both sides by 2. We're gonna have 2 here, we're gonna have 2. So in this case, 2 cancels 2, we have p to be equals 2 here 1, 2 here 8. So we have 8 minus 2 here 1, 2 here 4. So we have minus 4 times square root of minus p. This implies that we have p minus 8 equals minus 4 times square root of minus p. So let's take a square of both sides. We're going to have p minus 8 all squared equals minus 4 times square root of minus p all squared. When we expand this left hand side very well, we're going to obtain p squared minus 16p plus 64, which is equals to, this can be written as minus 4 all squared times square root of minus p all squared. So minus 4 all squared, that is just 16, times this square root takes care of these two, so we have minus p. This implies that we have p squared minus 16p plus 64 equals 16 times minus p, that is minus 16p. Clearly, minus 16p cancels minus 16p. So we are left with p squared plus 64 equals 0. So rewriting this, we have p squared equals negative 64. We take the square root of both sides. We're gonna have plus or minus. So this cancels this. So we have p equals plus or minus. We can write this as square root of minus 1 times square root of 64. So this implies that p equals plus or minus square root of minus 1, that is just I, square root of 64, that is 8. Therefore, a value of p equals 8i or minus 8i. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Peace.